Ladies and gentlemen, me, the CEO of TWCE. Today I'll be showing you guys the process of making the cardboard 40. I don't know what to say, so let's begin. First of all, this is what our company gonna use for this $1 million project. The next step is to agree on a design. Here I have the 2 design with me. We decided to go with a 40% design that I did not get any inspiration from any company. Then my slave would measure both width and length of the keycap, which we come up with this, times the measurement with the amount of keys. Then push all of that away and use the RS40 for the total measurement. Yes, a very crucial step to success. We then draw the cutout part of the top case, which is a 40% HHKB with a little side thingy, to make it more expensive. And so that I can get more money out of y'all. The keycap and the edge of the keyboard will be 1.5 centimeter away from each other. So this is gonna be a chunky boy. And here is a real footage of my slave drawing the sketch. She did most of the job, so I feel really useless. While I talk about myself, she already finished drawing the rest of the keyboard parts. Got everything as closest to the sketch as possible because our company put money, oh no, detail first. So now it's the ASMR. Pooped all over my desk. What the freak? Now that we've finished the outside part, let's create the plate only. Because how in the world can we create a PCB with only cardboard? Boy, that's impossible. First, my little slave will measure the thickness of the cardboard and take away 0.4 centimeter on each side so that the plate can fit perfectly inside the case. Guys, I did the thing wrong. It was supposed to be 0.4 on each side, but I did 0.8 on each of this side. So now it looked like that. And
it won't work and I want to quit and I also want to die. So I don't know what to do and my feet hurt and I don't want to do this anymore because I've been doing this for more than 5 hours now. Yay!
Because of our original designs, we're gonna have to create the plate ourselves. So she will have to hand draw each square hand by hand. The detail go crazy. But he will use the RS40 as the measurement. So we will, wait, what do you say? Oh, sorry guys, my non-existent assistant said that I have a meeting about nothing, so my slave will continue with the video. Bye guys! It's been 10,000 years, and I'm still here drawing lines. I made a mistake again. This doesn't look right. Oh well, I don't care. Detail first. Guys, I'm this far into drawing the thing and I found out that I did the measurement wrong again. So, I'm literally this close to freaking give up. Cause, what is the point of doing this when the keyboard won't even work anyway? So I'm gonna give it one last chance, but this time, I'm not gonna be using the plate. Okay, so here's my plan. I'm gonna use this RS40 keyboard and I'm gonna take all these switches and keycap out and then I'm just gonna slap it in like this. Y'all gonna hate, but I can't do this no more. What I'm gonna do is to connect all of these parts together. This is gonna be the ugliest keyboard alive. We run into another problem now. I've done this 2 times and I still have the same thing. I have to cut. Oh my freaking god. Be right back. I'm back. Hell yeah. Oh hell no, it's dripping down. Ow! Ow! Ooh! It's on my hand. It's on my hand. Oh hell to the no. Oh hell to the no. Otherwise it's gonna be dry. Okay, so I'm gonna be using these foam. Cut it inside. And then just foaming, stacking them up. Okay, I'm not gonna be pretty with this because y'all can't even see it anyway. Oh, look at that perfect fit. Oh, I should do a little design for it too, eh? Oh, I made my keyboard! Yeah, what the hell? The stabilizer didn't work. Okay, now I'm gonna draw a little design in the back. I think I'm gonna hand draw my logo.
Let him cook! Let him cook now! Let him cook!
Artist right here. Okay, now let's draw some fake rubber feet because we don't have money for that. I'm gonna do a little message here. This make me want to kill my. So now I'm gonna get my family reaction. Guys,
Yeah.
guys, look at my keyboard that I made.
Wow.
Wow. You like it?
Wait, is
Đẹp không mẹ? Mẹ chấm điểm đi.
8 điểm.
Wow.
Đẹp không bố?
Ui, xịn nhờ.
Bố chấm điểm đi bố.
Cái này à, chắc phải được 50 điểm ấy.